Ready to ace your driving theory test and hit the road with confidence? Today, we're exploring the official DVSA theory test kit, the essential app straight from the Driver and Vehicle Standards Agency, the people who set the test. The official DVSA theory test kit is the only app with all the official DVSA theory test revision questions for cars, motorcycles, LGVs, and PCVs. Users consistently praise its comprehensive coverage, including hundreds of interactive multiple-choice questions, detailed explanations, and references to the highway code. It features a hazard perception test, HPT, with CGI clips, which the actual test uses, offering practice for this crucial section. The app also includes an accessible version of the highway code, road signs, and a progress tracker to help you identify areas for improvement. Many value it for its accuracy and for providing the most authentic test simulation available. However, some users have reported occasional glitches with video playback on the HPT section or issues with the app crashing on older devices. While comprehensive, it's a paid app, and some might find the interface less dynamic than other third-party apps. As an official app, its privacy policy states it may collect usage and diagnostic data, which can be linked to your identity for analytics and product functionality. What's your thought?